Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the color of clothing in Photoshop. Use the quick selection tool to select the pants. Add feather to the selection to make the edges appear softer. Subtract all the current color of the pants by using the hue tool. Copy the color from the shirt by using the eyedropper tool. Fill the new layer with the color you just copied. Change the mode to color. Now we will add shadows to the pants to make it look more realistic. We still need to make some adjustments to ensure that the color of the pants matches that of the shirt. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos.